Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you a really good affiliate marketing method that you can use to make some really good money by helping other people raise money for their own business adventures that they're trying to build. Okay, so if this sounds like an interesting way to make money with affiliate marketing to you, stick around. We're going to get started on this here video right now. Before we do, with the people that are new to the video, anytime during the video that you think about it and you haven't subscribed yet, reach down there at the bottom of the video and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Okay? Alright, well, with that out of the way, now, so anytime during the video, if you're getting some value out of it, reach down there and click that like button for me too, if you would. Alright, thanks, guys. Well, let's go ahead and get started on this. The site that we're going to be dealing with today in this video is called Kickbooster. You see it right here. Look right up here in the address bar, guys. It's kickbooster.me. And what this site is a site where people come that are starting businesses and they need to raise money to help them get their business off the ground. That's what this is. Software solution for crowdfunding creators. It says get more out of your campaign with powerful tools designed to help you raise more and manage less. So people can come here and get involved in all kinds of things here, and then how to raise money for their project. And boy, there's a lot of projects on here, guys. I was looking at this earlier. There is just all kinds of really cool and neat projects that people are trying to get a business started with and get it off the ground, and they need your help here to do this. So anyways, what we want to do is come up here, and you see we got the products, users, resources, and a marketplace, a blog, and so on and so forth. But what we want to do is come out here under users. You see where my mouse is right here, and come down to where it says affiliates right here, guys. You click on affiliates. It says here, earn rewards for sharing the projects that you love. And there's all kinds of projects here, guys, which I'll show you here in just a moment. And it says, it pays to be a Kickbooster affiliate marketer. It says, use Kickbooster to create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and get paid for every successful pledge that comes through your link. Share your affiliate links through your blog, social media, email, wherever you'd like, and watch the commissions roll in. The more you share it, the more you earn. Just like I always tell you guys, with affiliate marketing, it's all about volume. There's no such thing as just doing it once and then you're going to get rich. No, you want to make a lot of money, you have to do it over and over, many places, and share your link in many places. Okay, which I will stick around. I'm going to show you 3 good places you can share your crowdfunding link, affiliate link, here a little bit later in this video. And you can see who are affiliate marketers, and it tells a little bit about that. All you got to do is sign up, guys. It's for free. It doesn't cost anything. You should be able to do this from anywhere in the world. It's free to do this. Okay, so simply just sign up for free and then create an affiliate account in less than 2 minutes. And when you sign up, which I'll show you here in a moment, they will send you an email confirmation. So you want to make sure that you get that checked out and validated before you come back and log in. And then you want to pick a project to promote, and there's all kinds of projects which I'll show you here in a moment. And then just simply spread the word, or share out your affiliate link, and then get paid, earn a commission on every pledge that comes through your affiliate link. So basically you just want to click on sign me up right here. So if we click on that, it brings you over here, and it says here, I help promote projects with sharing with my network. Pick a project to promote, spread the word, and then get paid. It's just that easy, guys. And so you want to fill in your name here. Now make sure where it says email right here that you put in your PayPal email, because if you look right here, it says that they send payments to PayPal. So you're going to need your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, it's free to create one. Just go over to paypal.com and sign up for a free personal account. I mean, you can sign up for a personal or business, but personal would be all that you need for this. And then, but use the same email that you sign up with PayPal here on this site as well as here. So there's no discrepancy, can't be any chance of a mess up of you getting your commissions. Okay. And then if you have a referral code, that's optional, and you want to create a good strong password here, confirm it. Check this little box right here. I agree to Kickbooster's affiliate terms. And if you want to get news updates, you can check that box. Don't forget to check the little garbage box here about I'm not a robot. I don't like these things. and then click the submit, and it will send you verification email. Make sure you go check that out, get your account verified, then come back and you can get signed in. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and log into my account here, and I click log in right here, and it's already got my credentials there. And when you get logged in, it brings you into into your back office, so to speak, or your dashboard here, and you can see that this is a brand new account that I just created today, guys. There's no commissions yet or nothing. You can see the different campaigns here that you've already clicked on. You see it, I've already worked with 2 of them here. And then there's the marketplace. So what you want to do, and then down here at the bottom, is the help and profile and sign out. You add on your profile, you can add more information about yourself to the community if you want, and so on and so forth. But we're going to click on the marketplace right here, guys. And it brings over here, and you can see as I scroll up here, there are all kinds of campaigns going on here. People that are trying to raise money, as you can see right here, for the Evolution pant collection. Not sure what that is. Pants, I guess. Somebody's trying to start a business in clothing, and they're trying to raise $165,000, and they got $10,000 raised already of that. And you can see it just goes on and on. There's all kinds of these. Now I like, you can click, as you can see over here on the left, guys, you can see that there's all kind of cool categories here. It's set to all right now, and they got beauty and personal care, design, education, everyday carry, fashion, food, games, health, home goods, outdoors, sporting goods, technology, and travel. And you just pick a category that you like. And for example, just to show you about this, I'm going to choose the technology category here. And as soon as I check that box, you see it automatically flips over and gets into the different things to do with technology here that people are creating, trying to start business with. And there's all kinds of cool stuff down through here as you come down, and so on and so forth. I mean, you can just pick something that you like, something that you're kind of passionate about that you find, and you can read about these things and, you know, promote them easy enough. So for example, let's just say this AI camera and modular robot arm right here. So when you see that, now they're trying to raise about $800,000 right here, guys, you see, and they've got $30,000 raised already towards that campaign. So let's say we want to boost this campaign. All you do is click on boost this campaign right here. Click on that, and it comes over, and it talks about earn 8% cash back for helping us spread the word. Be rewarded with 8% commission of every dollar you help raise for our campaign. And, you know, all you have to do is click the button and register as a booster. And then you just click right here, boost the campaign. It'll come over. And you see that it gives you your affiliate link right here, guys. This is the affiliate link. Now it says share your booster link, watch the sales roll in, and earn rewards. Now, you can boost as many of these as you want. I'm just showing you one as an example of how to do this. All right, but you can boost however many projects, and there's hundreds that you want out there on the web. So let's say here, for example, you copy your affiliate link. Now, if you want, you can shorten it up with bit.ly or something like that, but I wouldn't really think it's necessary because it's not, as per se, it's not really an affiliate product or anything like that, although it's crowdfunding. But it's worked with affiliations like what we're doing here. But you can shorten it if you want, but just copy it, and then you can share it like here on Facebook and Twitter. Okay, that's 2 places right there. In fact, that's 2 of the 3 that I was going to show you. Once you get your affiliate link, guys, you can come over to Facebook here. You want to read about it too. Don't get me wrong. You can read about you want to get to know the product that you're being an affiliate for, right? So make sure you read a little bit about that. Okay, you can do that so that you get a little bit about it. And then you're going to come back over, for example, to Facebook here, and you see I'm logged into my Facebook account. And over here, and since I checked this out earlier, I typed into the groups over here, new technology. And you can see that all of these groups come up that are interested in the newest technology, guys. I mean, it's just, as you look here, this is a new technology, this robotic arm. If I come back, I might be able to read about it. Yeah, you can read about it and view the campaign right here, and should be able to. Yeah, you can read about it and learn about it right here as it comes down. It talks about it. Even got little video clips. So it's a good idea to get to know your product that you're that you're promoting too in this for this crowdfunding thing. So, but anyways, like you know, in technology, I typed in new technology and it gives me all these groups, guys. You can join as many of these groups as you want and just begin, after you've read about your product, you can begin to talk about your product in the group and then leave your affiliate link down there so that they can come and see what it is you're talking about. They can read about the funding program, and if they want to donate, whatever they donate, you're going to get 8% of whatever they donate. So you can see that you can make some pretty good money with this particular method here. Now that's one place. How about, could you do it on Twitter? Yeah, that said Twitter. So the same thing on Twitter. I came over here and I typed in new technology, and you can see that down through here people are interested in new technology as well, and you can create a tweet on here. If you don't have a Twitter account, which most of you probably do, I imagine most people do today, you just create a tweet and tweet about it every so often about your product on the Kick Booster site or products. You're probably going to do more than one, I would imagine. That's probably the best way to go about it. And then, so Twitter you can do there. Also, how about over here on Quora, right? Could you do this on Quora too? Talk about your thing. You can even create your own question here and answer it yourself. And people will see that and click get link and come over to the site here and have a look at this and, you know, be happy to join in and help fund this product so that they can get their business off the ground. And whatever they fund it with, you're going to make 8% of that right there like that. You can do that same thing on Quora, Twitter, and Facebook groups. Guys, that is how you do that. You can come over to Kick Booster and you can get involved with these products here, these campaigns of people trying to raise money to start their own business in what they've created here in terms of technology or whatever category it is that you want. And then there's all kinds of them, as I showed you here. Well, guys, that's how you do that. You can make some pretty good affiliate money here by helping people raise money for their business campaigns, as you see right here on Kick Booster. I think that's a really great way to make affiliate sales. Guys, if you like this video, reach down there, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Also, don't forget to leave any comments or questions down there in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to see how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, you want to click down there below in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch a free video presentation I have for you that will show you the formula on how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, making thousands per day possibility. Alrighty, guys. Guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.